Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. I'm Dave Matthews. What we're showing you today, this is a Meto portable drum lift. Very popular in the pharmaceutical industries, and it's got a couple of unique features I want to show you. These have a little smaller drum cradle, so they're more likely to be seen in that industry. This has a unique little feature here, and we've not seen this before. This little rod you see has a couple little pins on it. It's stored right over here in this little side holder. But when you have a drum, you can slide it right into this, through the hole in the crossbar, which has a little spot for the little tab on the rod to go through, and you can turn it and hold it in place. It holds the bottom of the drum. Obviously, this is a 100-pound capacity machine. It's all pneumatically operated. It's portable. It also has a lift or a lock, which is pneumatic, which locks it in place. This one's dropping at about 65, 68 inches, but that's listed on the listing under our material handling section on the website, where you'll see this description. We have a few of these in stock. And that's the completed full height. And you see I'm just under 6 feet, so that's where it is. And if you take a quick look over here, it has a steel mounting plate connected here. This is the modification that former owner did. You see the slots in here, you can actually adjust the position of the cradle should you need a little more tilt. You have something a little stickier or more difficult to dump. We have everything in our stock from process and packaging equipment for mostly the sanitary industries. So I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we thank you for watching this video today, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.